Stop throwing these away. They solve root problems, wind damage, even slugs. 3 simple fixes, no cost. You can do all of this in about 3 minutes. Let's start with a clear pot. Most pots hide what's going on underneath, but this lets you see everything. You can watch the roots develop as the plant grows, and that tells you exactly when it's ready. As soon as those roots reach the edge, that's your moment. That's when you plant it out. It takes the guesswork out completely, and you avoid that stall after transplanting. Not earlier, not later. Right then. Next is protection. Young plants don't handle wind or cold very well and can become tasty snacks for mice and slugs. So this gives them a bit of cover while they establish. Just turn the pot upside down over the seedling, and you've got a small greenhouse. Add a couple of holes for airflow. I use a soldering iron because it's quick and clean. And lock it in place. Push 2 sticks through the sides into the soil. And now it stays put. Even in strong wind, it holds. This is just using what you've already got and getting more out of it. Last one, slug control. Take another pot and sink it into the soil, level with the surface. Add a simple yeast mix and leave it. Slugs go in and don't come back out. The next morning, you'll see what's happened straight away. This fills up quickly, especially in wet conditions. And once you see it working, you'll keep using it. This is just using what you've already got and getting more out of it. Less waste, fewer inputs, and better results. If you want more practical systems like this, subscribe to Hen and Harvest.